Hey, fake minimal, I got some sugar cubes for you.
Wow, thanks.
Oh, the 1QD Fan Productions. How dare you feed fake minimal UTTPTHD to see some sugar cubes? You know you can go to jail for that. You are grounded for 99.
You think you can ground me, but grounding doesn't work. As a punishment,
Donald Duck and Mickey freaking Mouse, how dare you interrupt?
Not this time. 1QD Fan Productions. How dare you interrupt my video while we are grounding you? That is it. You are double.
We have corrupted your video.